Most PPC platforms try to spend your money better. AdPilot decides when spending is a bad idea. Other platforms assume that optimization should always be happening. But in the real world, inventory runs low, margins change, timing matters, and the one size fits all approach to classifying sellers, it just doesn't work. AdPilot enforces discipline before it ever touches a bid. So why don't we dive in and see what AdPilot is all about? This is AdPilot. This is not just a bid optimizer. It's an ad intelligence platform that looks at ads inside the full business context. One major flaw in PPC tools is that they treat every seller the same. AdPilot doesn't do that. It classifies sellers based on how they should be operating right now, depending on whether it's scale, stability, growth, efficiency. So the same keyword can get a very different result depending on who you are as a seller. This diagram makes it simple. Everything starts with business context, not bids. Only after constraints are satisfied does AdPilot execute PPC changes. That's the difference between optimization and intelligence. Inventory is where most sellers quietly lose money. PPC tools keep pushing spend even though inventory is tight. AdPilot can slow aggressiveness down, reduce expansion, and hold spend when inventory drops. This alone prevents sellers from burning ranking and momentum. AdPilot enforces margin protection. It knows what each click can afford to cost. If a bid puts profitability at risk, the system simply won't allow it. Not all clicks are created equal. Timing matters. AdPilot shows behavior based on when campaigns historically convert. This is optimization beyond keywords. It's temporal optimization. Only after seller type, inventory, margin, and timings are aligned does AdPilot optimize. That's when bids adjust. That's when scaling happens. The order matters. Most tools optimize first and hope things work out. AdPilot isn't set and forget. You stay in control. The platform enforces discipline. You choose how far to push. And AdPilot isn't about spending more. It's about spending with intent. If this way of thinking resonates, AdPilot will make immediate sense.